I think the concept is clear. Now we should go to the similarity tests. There are three ways of similarity tests. Number one, SSS similarity tests. Number two, SAS similarity test. And number three, AA similarity test. I have prepared a comparison chart between similarity tests and congruence tests. Now, what we see here, in similarity tests, there should be the ratios of the corresponding sides, and in congruence test there should be the equal length. So let's come to the first one, SSS similarity test. The ratios of the corresponding sides are should be equal here. The ratios of the corresponding sides AB divided by XY equal to AC, should mark here, AB equal to XY, AC equal to XZ equal BC divided by YZ, BC divided by YZ. The ratios of the corresponding sides AB divided by XY, ratios of the corresponding sides should be equal here. And in congruence test, the length of the corresponding sides should be equal. AB equal to XY, BC equal to YZ, and AC equal to XZ. And I should mark here AB to XY, AC, and then BC. Yeah. Let's come to second one, SAS similarity test. Two ratios of the corresponding sides AB, XY, AC divided by XZ, and their corresponding angle and their included angle should be same. AB divided by XY equal to AC divided by XZ, and their included angle BAC equal to YXZ. And in congruence test, SAS, AB equal to XY, AC should be equal to XZ, and then their included angle A equal to angle XYXZ. Please check. Ratios, here should be ratios and here should be the length. And now number 3, AA similarity test. Any of the two angles, corresponding angles, any of the two corresponding angles, angle B I should take angle B equal to angle C and angle X, and angle C equal to angle Z. A, B, C equal to X, Y, Z, and ACB equal to X, Z, Y. Should be equal, then they will be similar. And I should use squiggle sign here. They are similar and they are congruent. Four congruence tests. And now in 3, AAS, angle B equal to angle Y, angle C equal to angle Z, and any of the sides A, B, C equal to X, Y, Z, and then A, C, B equal to X, Z, Y, and moreover BC equal to YZ. And now it's number 4, congruence test, RHS. It is for right angle triangles. Right angle will be same and the hypotenuse should be same and any of the sides should be same. Right angle triangle A, B, C equal to angle X, Y, Z, AC hypotenuse equal to X, Z, and BC any of the sides, length of any of the sides equal to Y, Z. And that's all, viewers. We are having the comparison table here, 3 similarity tests and 4 congruence tests we are having, and that's all for today.